In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a kill brick in Roblox Studio. Kill bricks are one of the most used game features in Roblox, and they also happen to be one of the easiest to make. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to insert a part. This will be our kill brick. So you can go under the Home tab and you can click this button that says part. Now that'll insert a part inside our workspace. So I'm just going to make it a little bigger. And I'm just going to make it a little nicer. Now, to get these two tabs that I have over here, you can go under the View tab. And you can select the Explorer and the Property button, which will open up these two panels. So under the Properties panel, I can change the color, the material, and transparency, and a bunch of other properties as well. So I'm just going to make it look a little nicer. Kill bricks are usually red, and so I'll set it red. I'll make it neon. And I'll even give it a special outline by inserting a selection box. Now, if you're going to copy what I do, make sure you follow it exactly. So me adding the selection box just makes it look a little nicer. So you can just copy what I'm doing over here. It's not important to the actual kill brick. Alright, so this is our kill brick. Now to make players take damage upon touching it, we need to insert a script. So we're going to go under the part that we've inserted, and we're going to click this plus sign over here, and we're going to insert a script. Now once you've had that opened up, you want to remove the text that's there, and you want to write the following. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the part. So we're going to do local part equals script.parent. Next, we're going to get the touched event of this part. So we're going to do part.touched connect function other part. So make sure you write it exactly as I write it here. All the capitalization and all the spelling has to be correct, or it won't work. So what we're going to do here is we're going to write some code that will make anyone who touches it take damage. So this part.touched is an event, and it's an event that fires when something touches the part. So the first thing we want to do is we want to check that this other part is actually a player. So we're going to do if other part.parent find first child humanoid then. So this will basically make sure that something will happen only when a player touches it. So if we can find a humanoid in the object that touched it, we're going to do local humanoid equals other part.parent wait for child humanoid. Next, we're going to do humanoid take damage 100. So take damage is a function that will cause the player to take damage. And in between the brackets, you can specify how much damage you want the player to take. I'm just going to make them take 100 damage. So that's the entire script. So that's how you make a basic kill brick. I'm going to play test it really quickly just to show you that it works. Alright, we've loaded in, and when I touch the kill brick, it should kill my character. And it does. But we can improve this script a little bit. So I'm going to go back. And what we can do is we can add a debounce. So basically what it'll do is it'll add a cooldown. The part.touched event actually fires like a lot of times every second. So when I go over the kill brick, it actually kills my character over and over and over again. So what we can do to prevent that is add a debounce, which is basically like a cooldown. So I'm going to do local debounce equals false. And in this if statement over here, I'm going to add an additional statement. So if other part.parent find for child humanoid and not debounce, then debounce equals true. And then at the bottom over here, we're going to do task.wait 1 and then set debounce equal to false. So basically the code inside here only runs when debounce is equal to false. So the moment a player touches the part, we're going to set debounce equal to true, so no one else takes any damage. And we're going to wait 1 second before turning it off again. So that way the part can only damage someone once per second. That way you won't get the health bar kind of glitching in the corner. So if I go back over there, you'll see that the health bar doesn't really glitch like before. Now if you wanted multiple kill bricks and you didn't want multiple scripts, this is what you can do. So in the workspace, you can create a folder. And we're just going to call this folder kill bricks. You can place your kill bricks inside. So I'm going to stick it inside the folder, but I'm actually going to go ahead and delete the script. So now I'm just going to clone this part a bunch of times. So I'm going to select this part, and I'm going to do Control D to duplicate. Alright, so now I have 4 kill bricks. Now we don't want 4 scripts because that's messy, so we can handle it by inserting just 1 script. So inside the folder, we're going to insert a script. We're going to get the kill bricks folder by doing local kill bricks equals script.parent. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a for loop which will iterate through all of the parts inside the folder. So for ivy in pairs, kill bricks get children do if v is a part, then v.touched connect function other part. So now we're doing what we did before. If other part dot parent find for child humanoid, then local humanoid equals other part dot parent wait for child humanoid take damage 100. So basically what we've done is we've iterated through all of the stuff inside the folder. We check if it's a part, so we don't want the kill script to work on the script itself. We just want it to work on the part. So that's what this if statement is for. Then we define the touched event for each one of these parts. We make sure that they're a player, and then we make them take damage. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out right now. So if I touch any one of these parts, it should kill my character. Alright, so I went to that one, it killed my character. I'll go to this closest one, and it also kills my character. So that's how you make a kill brick in Roblox Studio. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.